Here in Barcelona, Antonio Gaudi's all-consuming obsession, the Basilica of the Sagrada Familia, a neo-Gothic church, attracts around 2.8 million visitors a year and is the most visited monument in Spain. Construction began in 1883 but remains an extravagant work in progress. A fascinating dream of swelling outlines and vivid stained glass, ornate facades and ornamental arches. Consecrated in 2010 by Pope Benedict XVI, the church is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and rises hundreds of feet above downtown Barcelona. Completion is expected by 2026. Tennis fans won't have to wait that long before a champion is revealed at the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell, as first round action concluded and second round action commenced at the Real Club de Tenis. The fifth seed from Spain, Roberto Bautista Agut, was drawn in the second round against qualifier and new generation player Karen Khachanov from Russia in their first ever meeting. Perhaps surprisingly, it was the 19-year-old who trains in Barcelona who made the better start.
Fabulous ball striking yet again from Khachanov.
Uncoiling 13 winners, the impressive Khachanov took the opening set 6-2, and the Russian continued to look comfortable in the second.
Oh, wonderful stuff from the youngster.
Agut recovered from a breakdown to force a tiebreak and was determined to stay in the match.
At this time he converts. Bautista Agut back from the brink.
In the decider, Khachanov broke in the fourth game as he edged closer to the finish line.
Awesome tennis.
And in 2 hours and 24 minutes, the Russian was on the verge of causing an upset.
Karen Khachanov announces himself to the ATP World Tour with some performance.
The key was to stay calm and to play point after point and to focus on my game, and I think I did it well.
Marcel Granollers opened his Barcelona campaign with a first-round meeting against fellow countryman Daniel Muñoz de la Nava. The pair exchanged breaks in the opening set, but in the 10th game, Granollers' booming ground strokes began to do the damage.
Oh, yes.
It's got him with the old-fashioned bunt there.
And the more experienced Granollers continued his attack in a similar fashion in the second set.
Oh, that's magnificent. On the slide, finds a way past de la Nava. Well, that is fabulous tennis all round.
Granollers' reliable clay court form continued and with the help of 24 winners reached match point.
The man from Barcelona makes it through to the second round for the 6th time in his home city.
In another all-Spanish encounter, Albert Ramos Vinolas defeated wildcard Yama Munar in straight sets, striking 22 winners in the process and converting 4 from 7 break points. Vinolas advanced to the second round with a 6-3, 6-2 win. 8-time champion Rafael Nadal launches his Barcelona campaign on Wednesday. He will be determined to continue his winning ways following his championship-winning performance in Monte Carlo.